Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make a lovely tropical smoothie, but I'm going to use this banana because this is ripe, sweet and full of flavor. And I'll be using half of this mango, and I'll be adding a bit of lime to it, and I'm going to use some fresh orange juice. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and it's your first time coming on to this channel, thanks for tuning, thanks for watching in, and please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification, share and like. Thank you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the skin off this banana. I'll be using half of the mango, so I'm going to go ahead and take the skin off. This probably can give me a glass or two. So put it all in. I'll just go ahead and use all of it. So I'm going to use half of lemon. Here I have some pineapple, which I use and left, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one up. Then I'm going to use 400 ml of fresh orange juice. Cheers to you all. Wow. Wow. This is a world record. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to try this recipe. Very delicious and very tasty. And please remember to share, like, and subscribe and leave positive comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace be unto you all.